I'm Brian Rudkin. I'm a Director of Research at the CNRS, the French National Research Organization, Group Leader at the Ecole Normale Supérieure de Lyon, which is one of the top academic research institutions in France. And I have been very active in catalyzing innovation in the Rhone-Alpes region for the past 15 years, having participated in the creation of numerous companies in various areas of activity, mainly in biotech, of which Aptonomics, which is a startup that has 25 employees, of which 23 in R&D, raised 7 million euros in the first round of financing and had 3 million of grants and subsidies from the French government to leverage complementary technologies from French research labs. I do research in molecular and cellular neurobiology and cancer. Lyon and its region have several different areas of expertise. Historically, it's vaccines and vaccine development and immunovirology, and most recently has been nominated as a competitiveness pole or center or cluster, to use more Anglo-Saxon terms, in this area. And that status is essentially a recognition of the historical efforts and the current efforts of the powers that be to ensure that there is a seamless transition and collaboration between the public authorities, the finance people, the companies, the startups, as well as the academic and social areas, so that the research that is done finds its way out to the people and out to society. Lyon is a biopole, again, because of the wealth of universities and training, and I think there are approximately 40 hospitals in the Rhone-Alpes region, major hospitals with numerous beds. When I say hospitals, we're also talking about private clinics. I think there are 5 university hospitals between Lyon, Saint-Étienne, Grenoble, and other places in the region. Clearly, this has allowed the development of what we call an integrated resource for clinical testing. Well, because we have such excellent universities here in the training of students in different areas, companies that come here find that there is a significant resource in which to tap to gain qualified and highly competent scientists or technicians. At another level, there's also business schools that are world-class business schools as well. Lyon, which is one of the top 3 in France, and also specializing in technology-based companies and accompanying and management of technology-based companies. And these, I have to say, the various entities that we have, the various universities and schools that we have, are very active in international collaborations. And I'd like to put in a plug here for the fact that Lyon and its region are very open to international collaborations with, for example, the Chinese market through Shanghai, for example, but also the North American market in a recent collaboration that has been formalized with Philadelphia, between Lyon and Philadelphia, to collaborate in high-tech and biotech in particular, but also cultural and academic exchange, so that we get a very rich resource of, let's call it, again, qualified hands to participate in the development of our companies here. I have been living in Lyon for the past 15 years. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't be here. Clearly, Lyon has many resources, but the reason I have stayed is truly because I have been able to participate in the development of this invigorating economy that we have here, and I call it pioneering collaboration between as I say, the research all the way to the patient, that is, research and society. But of course, there's all the cameos that are out there with regard to the Lyon and its region. It's a wonderful place to live, that's clear. It's obviously very rich in the gastronomical area because the natives say that Lyon is the gastronomical capital of the world. Some 15 years ago, I was invited to participate in an audit that involved top executives from many or several different American companies. And we spoke about many different things, from international to research to the investments that were going on in the Rhone-Alpes region and Lyon, its region at the time. And one of the people, one of the Americans who was present, said something that has remained engraved in my mind since that time. They said that Lyon was the best kept secret of France. I say now, the secret is out.